She's kind of a walking poem, Angelina, you know. She's this perfect beauty, but at the same time, very deep, very smart.
Johnny, I think, has always played very unique characters, and I think he's always, in pretty much every film he's done, he's likable. There's something very likable about him. He's a nice person, and I think that kindness and that fun comes across in anything he does.
Angelina Jolie has revealed that she advised Johnny Depp not to date Amber Heard in the first place. This comes just as Depp is fighting for his career and reputation, which were both ruined by Heard. So what did Jolie say? How did Depp react to her advice? Johnny Depp's longtime friend Angelina Jolie had warned him about Amber Heard and showed her dislike towards the Aquaman star amid the promotion of their then-releasing film The Tourist back in 2010. According to a 2014 report from the National Enquirer, Jolie was not fond of Heard since the very beginning of her relationship with Depp. Jolie's warning to Depp once again has become the topic of discussions online after Johnny Depp testified against his ex-wife Amber Heard during the defamation trial. Depp's fans are seeing it as vindication to the actor's stance that he was truly a victim of physical abuse instead of an alleged perpetrator. Apart from calling out Amber Heard, Depp's fans are also resharing Enquirer's report, which had said Angelina Jolie was concerned with Amber's prompt acceptance to Depp's proposal, which she then believed was fishy and allegedly had carried malicious motives. Angelina Jolie is giving romance advice to old pal Johnny Depp, warning him he may be making a big mistake marrying Amber Heard, the publication had quoted an insider. An unidentified friend of the actress told that Jolie had pleaded with Depp to get a prenuptial agreement before wedding the 3 Days to Kill actress, the publication had revealed. Angie is worried Depp is going through a midlife crisis and has become enchanted with the much younger actress, the insider had further said. Johnny Depp and Angelina Jolie are both massive names in Hollywood, with each one having starred in countless films. The two celebrities have known each other for years and even starred together in The Tourist in 2010. The film was not a big hit, but working with Depp had always been a dream for Angelina, who had been so happy to take the role, saying she thought he was the coolest thing for years. Angelina went on to say, "I practically grew up with him and had such a crush on him and Edward Scissorhands." In Angelina, an unauthorized biography, there's a passage about how Jolie was smitten with Depp back in his Edward Scissorhands days. Angie was smitten with actor Johnny Depp, who played Edward, an isolated figure with scissors for hands, who lives in an attic and falls for the teenage daughter of a suburban family. The movie's themes of alienation and self-discovery spoke to the angst-ridden Angie, the book noted. Depp also described Angelina as being an enchantress and a walking poem. She's kind of a walking poem, Angelina, you know? She's this perfect beauty, but at the same time, very deep, very smart, very quick, very clever, and very funny. She also has a very perverse sense of humor. Yeah, she's great fun, Depp said. Jolie and Depp have orbited in similar famous circles and experienced the same kind of public scrutiny over their love lives, but they had never been officially romantically linked. Over the years, rumors have swirled that the pair dated after starring together in The Tourist. Fans have always shipped them together, and especially now that they both happen to be single and have allegedly gone through DV. Still waiting for Johnny Depp and Angelina Jolie to rekindle their crush on each other and start dating. "My two babies have been abused by narcissists like Amber Heard and Brad Pitt," one fan wrote on Twitter, while another one replied by saying, "Forever hoping Johnny will join Angelina in her genuine, emphasis on genuine, efforts to help victims. Hopefully they both will find peace soon." Another fan added, "I always imagined Johnny Depp being with Angelina Jolie. Amber Heard could never be that queen." Ouch. Speaking of Amber Heard, Johnny Depp gave his testimony during the defamation trial earlier on last week, and if it's anything to go by, then he probably should have listened to Angelina Jolie when she warned him about her. In his testimony, Depp claimed that Amber is the one who became violent in their relationship, and that her false accusations cost him nothing less than everything. When the allegations were made, were rapidly circling the globe, telling people I was a drunken, cocaine-fueled menace who beat women. Suddenly in my 50s, it's over, he said. "I lost then," he added. "No matter the outcome of this trial, I will carry this for the rest of my days." Depp also said that they had frequent arguments that included demeaning name-calling and bullying by Heard. "It seemed like pure hatred for me," Depp said. "If I stayed to argue, eventually I was sure it was going to escalate into violence, and oftentimes it did." Depp said it was Heard who would strike out with a slap or shove. During one argument, Heard threw a vodka bottle at Depp's hand, cutting off the top of his right middle finger and exposing bone, he said. The actor said he felt like he was suffering some kind of breakdown and began writing on the wall with blood from the injury. He said he wrote reminders of lies Heard had told him. She has a need for violence. It erupts out of nowhere, Depp revealed. However, in a similar legal case in Britain, Heard denied throwing a bottle and severing Depp's finger. She said she threw things only to escape when he was beating her, and once punched him because she feared he would push her sister down a flight of stairs. During the defamation trial, Depp described another incident in which he said Heard repeatedly punched him. The actor said he put his arms around her to calm her and their foreheads touched. According to Depp, Heard accused him of headbutting her and breaking her nose, returning minutes later with a tissue she said was stained with blood. Depp said he later retrieved the tissue and found the red stain came from nail polish. The actor said he would remove himself from heated arguments, sometimes locking himself in a bedroom or bathroom, and never struck Heard. My main goal was to retreat, he said. Depp is accusing Heard of defaming him when she penned a December 2018 opinion piece in the Washington Post about being a survivor of domestic abuse. The article never mentioned Depp by name, but Depp's lawyer Benjamin Chu told jurors it was clear Heard was referencing the Hollywood leading man. Heard's attorneys have argued that she told the truth and that her opinion was protected free speech under the U.S. Constitution's First Amendment. In opening arguments, Heard's attorney said Depp physically and sexually assaulted her while abusing drugs and alcohol. A state court judge in Fairfax County, Virginia, is overseeing the trial, which in its second week and is expected to last 6 weeks. Meanwhile, Johnny Depp fans are convinced there's no way Amber Heard is going to win this case. I don't believe it's a claim any longer. It's a verified fact. We all heard her acknowledge that she hits him. Done deal. She isn't an innocent victim. She's an active participant. I realize that isn't what this suit is about, but that's the portion the court of public opinion is still weighing, one fan wrote. Another one added, evidence she hit him, threw a bottle that cut off his finger. Multiple witnesses say she was abusive. I mean, what more do you need? Other fans are appreciating Depp for talking about the abuse he allegedly faced during his marriage. It took a lot of courage for Johnny to say he was the victim of spousal abuse. The reason it goes unreported is most men feel ashamed, and generally speaking, no one believes them, one particular fan wrote. Try as you might to paint him a villain, I believe it's universally clear that Depp, while a colorful writer, was a victim to Heard's violent and gross temper. And in this case, that's all that matters. Even if he loses the suit, he was won by simply standing up for himself and the truth, a second fan added. But now I would love to hear from you. Do you think Depp could have avoided all this trouble had he listened to Angelina Jolie? Tell us in the comment section below as you go ahead to check out our other video concerning how Johnny Depp's fans are attacking Amber Heard. Thanks for watching.